Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I have something that's pretty cool. We're going to do an unboxing of it. This is a pair of Bluetooth outdoor waterproof speakers, my friends, made by Acoustic Research. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase these bad boys. These have an 18-hour playtime runtime. They're rechargeable outdoor speakers, people. Check these things out. These things look amazing. I'm looking extremely forward to do a demo and test on these bad boys. We'll charge them up and connect them to my Google Assistant, Google Home. So my entire house is a smart home, and I have the 10-inch Google Assistant, which I currently have a Bluetooth speaker connected to it, but we're going to have these two permanently installed on the outside. We're going to put them in a spot where we can remove them, charge them again, and put them back up. These, I'm just going to read off the box because it's pretty impressive. Waterproof, not water resistant, waterproof. I'm going to be mounting these bad boys under an eave, so it doesn't really matter, but they're waterproof. Playtime is 18 hours. They're rechargeable. 60 watts of power. I would suspect 30 watts a piece. Total 60. I'd be shocked if there's 60 watts each. That'd be pretty impressive. No professional installation required. Screw it to the eave or wherever you want to mount them, and that is it. All right, you must always turn on the right speaker first. And then the left speaker, and you'll hear why.
Right connected. Left connected.
Charge these babies, pair them up with Bluetooth on your device, with your cell phone if you want to stream, and you have sound in the backyard. And I'm looking extremely forward to this because I can't wait to do it, because in my backyard I want to have some music, and if I have 18-hour runtime, it's going to be amazing. So let's do a real quick unboxing of this because I'm like dying to check this out. It comes with two AC adapters and then extension cables on them. So power and pair button on the back. And what's they say for power? 14 volts input at 1 amp. That's actually pretty impressive. I like this. So just remember, these are all that extra space that's inside this box. They put a battery. Oh wow, you actually can stand them too if you wanted to. There's like little, you can take these, you could take the stands off if you wanted to and stand them on a table, because they got little feet on here, little nipples, and you can leave them like this if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's a nice little, cute little. It's not on the other side. It's only on the bottom on this here. So the woofer is down like that, or on the bottom. And then you can actually use it as a feed. So let's charge these babies, let's pair them up and see how they sound. Let's go outside. Even at JoeteckTips we make mistakes. There we go. Go. You can have it somewhat loose, so you can actually make adjustments on how you want the sound to go. I like it like you don't want it too tight, so if you want to make adjustments on the fly, it'd be perfect. And so I'm trying to make it cosmetically pretty. So I'm putting the woofer on the left, and then the right side I'm going to put the woofer on the right, and the tweeter, both tweeters on the inside. Joe Tech here. Hey guys, Joe Tech here. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech here.
Everybody likes detailed reviews. Everybody likes detailed reviews. And if I screw this up...
So guys, as you can see, these speakers kick some major butt. I like them a lot. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase them. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.